Welcome to this training video on navigating the jobs page and searching for jobs in automation analytics and intelligence, AAI. In this video, we'll walk through how to use the jobs page as your starting point for investigating job stream behavior and in how to search for the specific jobs that matter most to your analysis. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain when and why to use the jobs page in AAI, navigate the jobs page layout and key interface elements, search for jobs using the global search feature, and organize your table view and export job lists for analysis. Before we explore how you can do all this, let's first understand why you need to research jobs in AAI. As an AAI operator or job stream administrator, you'll often need to go a level deeper, especially when a job stream fails or starts trending beyond defined SLAs. While job streams show process-level health, it is at the job level where you will uncover the source of performance issues. AAI begins gathering job data, which includes job definitions and dynamic execution events, as soon as a scheduler is defined and a connection to AAI is established. This data is used to build a chronology of executions and to calculate the performance metrics of your jobs in AAI. While this data is surfaced across multiple features in AAI, the All Jobs and the Job Details pages are your primary source for in-depth investigation. We will explore the Jobs Details page in a different video. For now, let's focus on how to search for and filter jobs using the All Jobs page in AAI. In most investigations, you'll start by searching for jobs from the All Jobs page, then opening individual records to examine the details. AAI offers multiple ways to search and filter data, including the global search, standard filter options, advanced filtering, and the AI filter assistant. Before we learn how to filter for specific jobs, let's take a closer look at what you will see on the jobs page. The jobs page gives you a direct line of sight into the overall performance of all jobs in your AAI environment. From here, you can identify specific jobs depending on their status, what their run statistics are, and assess whether they're configured correctly, operating normally, or introducing risk into your workload. Let's take a closer look at the layout of the jobs page. At the top of the page, you'll see a global search bar that lets you search for jobs by typing their names directly. As you start typing the job name, AAI starts populating matching results. This includes job stream name matches as well, which we will explore in the job streams video. Clicking a job name from the search results opens the job details page, from where you can see the job's configuration, its dependencies, and run statistics. If the preview list doesn't show the job you're looking for, simply press Enter in the search bar to display all jobs that contain the search string in their names. You will notice that your search string is now applied as a filter condition above the job list. You can click this filter to modify the condition. For example, to find all jobs that contain the word terminate. When you update the search string, both the filter and the matching results update automatically. You can clear the applied filter to return to the full job list. The global search bar also includes an advanced search feature. Clicking this opens a pane where you can define condition-based filters using multiple job attributes. We will explore this feature later in the video. Under the title of the page, you see the filter options to refine your search results. Below that is the jobs list table, which is your primary working area. Let's explore some of the columns here which you'll use most often. The columns in the jobs page give you specific information related to each job. The job name column displays the name of the job as imported from the automation engine. The job name in the list is a link to open its job details page, which we will explore in detail in another video. The job type column tells you the type of job you're looking at. This is also imported with the job definition and is scheduler specific. The scheduler column shows the name of the scheduler that was defined during AAI setup to identify the associated automation engine, and the machine name column indicates the agent machine where the job runs. Data specific to job executions include the status column, which shows the job's most recent run status, such as running, activated, failed, or success. When you scroll to the right, you see more job run statistics. These include the last start time, the last end time, the next predicted start, and the next predicted end times. The next predicted status indicates how the job's next run is predicted to end. AAI calculates this with complex algorithms based on historical data. The parent and parentage columns are useful for you to understand dependencies. This is critical for job stream monitoring. While the parent of a job is the direct container of the job, parentage is the nesting hierarchy from the topmost container all the way down to the job. This information helps you understand the context in which the job runs. And, like in all other tables in AAI, you can reorganize your column views and sort the rows by any column. To add a sort hierarchy, hold the Shift key and select Further Sort Columns. You can also customize the table view by toggling them on and off in the Columns menu. The columns you cannot hide are grayed out. If you want to capture the data you see on the Jobs page, you can use the Export feature to download a CSV with the same configuration as that of your table. In the next video, we'll look at how to use filters to narrow your search results. For now, let's take a quick recap of what we learned from this video. In this video on navigating the Jobs page and searching for jobs in AAI, we learned that you can use the Jobs page to monitor all job activity across connected schedulers. Search for jobs using the Global Search feature. Understand job properties and execution metrics by reading key columns in the Jobs table. Organize and sort the job list using column headers and table options. Export job data in CSV format for further analysis or reporting. That brings us to the end of the overview on searching for jobs in AAI. In the next video, we will explore how you can filter jobs in AAI. Thank you.